Hi everyone, Sherman here, and today I'm going to do my 7-month review of the Nokia 6.1 Plus. And this phone is a budget phone for only 120 US dollars. I did an unboxing video for it and a quick review before, but now I'm going to do a follow-up review after 7 months. I'm not going to get into specifications. I'll probably list the specifications of this phone below, but I would just let you guys know what my feeling is after using this phone for 7 months. Of course, there are pros and cons. So if you guys are deciding whether to get this, this is what the video is for, and I'm going to film it using my normal vlog style, so don't expect any special cuts. So I'm just going to let you guys know it's not a sponsored video, and I'll get right down to this. The pros, first of all, is the build quality. Look at this. Look at this back. It's shiny. It's just remember this is 120 US dollars. It's really cheap for this kind of build quality. Look at the buttons. Like they're just not plain buttons. They have like silver rims. Look at that. It looks so premium and high quality. There's a headphone jack. There's a USB-C charging port. So I put in a magnetic charger. That's why you see the charging head here. Apparently, some people are saying that it's easily damaged. So I put this and I'll just charge it with the magnetic charging port. So it's easy to charge and I had no problem so far. It charges in about an hour. It's really quick. It has a 3000 milliampere battery. So to me, that's really good for this phone because it lasts me about an entire day. And of course, you can say this is a low-end phone. It has a Snapdragon processor and it's not the highest one. I forgot what the actual model is, but you can check my previous video, I mentioned it. And the screen is not that great either, but it does function like, it's supposed to serve its purpose. It's really good, it's really fast. It's Android 1, okay? So the UI is fast, it's only 60 Hertz, but it has all the features and of Android 1, right? So it's close to being Google Android. So I would say that to me, it's a really good phone. It has even a fingerprint sensor. It almost has everything, but okay, let me just show you guys what I do like about it. It's the size as well. The game, you see, it actually loads in the background, right? Even though I start playing. Can you hear that sound? You see how loud it is? So I'm playing Mobile Legends now, if you guys can see it. So you guys, this is the actual sound. It has a mono firing speaker. Look at this, mono firing, but it's really loud. So you can play like this. And look, for this character Eve, you get to hit, like her ulti is to hit the enemies from this distance. Like you must put your finger here in the middle, and this is perfect for it. So check this out. Yeah, so I can hit the middle part really well. There you go. Wiped out. So yeah, so if you guys like to play Mobile Legends, it works real perfectly here. The controls are awesome. The touchscreen is awesome. I would say, look, you can go back here. I use the bottom navigation controls. I don't like the gesture controls. So you can run a few things, even have another game running. So there is, like, you can play games like this, Clash Royale. You can play Mobile Legends, no problem. So to me, I'm really satisfied. So if you guys want to play some games, you just want to use this as a backup phone, it's just really awesome. The screen is bright, as you can see, and it's fast. It has almost everything that you need, and it's secure because it's a Nokia phone, right? And one thing great is that there is a Nokia Support App here, which you can contact Nokia itself, and I did. And I asked them about the warranty of this phone, and they told me that anywhere in the world, as I can just send it in and they will repair it if there's anything wrong. And not only that, I check on YouTube, there are a lot of repair videos on this, so I assume that it's going to be easy to repair, and I do repair my phones myself. So if the battery dies, I'm going to replace the battery. Again, like I said, I'm really impressed with the battery for this. It lasts me about an entire day, even when I'm playing games. So I'm actually filming this on my Samsung Galaxy Note 9, which is one of my primary phones, and this is my secondary backup phone. And when I play games, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, which is running on an Exynos processor, actually consumes more battery than this phone. And when I'm playing the same Mobile Legends game. So if I do want to play Mobile Legends, I usually use this phone instead of my Galaxy Note 9. So that's why it's just a perfect secondary phone. And if you are asking me if the graphics are as good, obviously you cannot run it at the highest settings compared to, let's say, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, but it does as well, as you can see just now. What I don't like about this phone is that it doesn't have a notification light. Now that is a major issue, because when you get a message, you don't know, you only hear the sound, and then you have to switch on the phone, and you do that with the fingerprint scanner, which works fine, right? But it's annoying. What if it's put somewhere and you just want to see, like you wake up, you want to see if you have received a message, you have to turn on the screen. You can't just check the notification LED. And I think that's a big downfall of this Nokia phone, even though I like it so much. But I would not use it as my primary phone simply because it does not have a notification LED and it does not have an always on display. So yeah, that's one thing I don't like. Another thing I don't like about it is that it does not have a screen recorder. So it does have a screen capture, right? Like you can take pictures like that, but it does not have a video recorder to record my screen, and like Samsung has that, and well, this phone just doesn't have that. It's as close to Android 1 to the original Android. I guess it doesn't come with a screen recorder. I hope they change that and they include a screen recorder in the future, but they didn't include it here. Another thing I don't like about this phone is that no, what did I want to say? I actually forgot. You know, there are actually a lot of things I do like about this phone. So you can see that I don't really have that many things I don't like about this phone. But I would say the other thing I don't like about this phone is probably let me have a quick look at all the stuff. And I would say probably the other thing is that when I'm updating the phone, sometimes when I'm updating the apps in Google Play, it would suddenly shut down my game. So let's just see. I go back to the game, it's still running. Oh, this one is actually started over. So yeah, so that happens occasionally where the game just shuts down when I'm updating the phone. So I guess that's because of the lack of RAM. It doesn't get hot, by the way, because I think it's because of the Snapdragon. Unlike my Samsung phone, when you play the games, the phone itself doesn't get hot. So it's really comfy to hold and it's just excellent. Oh yeah, so now I got to remember what I wanted to say, and what I really didn't like about the phone is the video and the camera quality. Obviously under bright light it works really well. It has this video in video kind of mode, picture in picture, sorry. So you can actually take it's called PIP, right? So you can actually take a video of yourself as a vlogger, right? And you can take whatever scenes you want to take. So Samsung didn't introduce this feature of having both cameras film at the same time, and this can do it. But having said that, after I did the first video where I told you guys I'm going to use this for vlogging and using it for my channel, I didn't, because the quality just isn't there. I mean, you could get by with, you know, just photos in bright light, but I would not recommend this for really good quality pictures. That's why I cannot recommend this phone as my primary phone, especially if you want to take photos with it, or you want, like me, you are a vlogger, you want to use this as vlogging tool, you just can't do it. It's just not that great. So with that, I think I can sum up my video again about the pros and cons. You've heard of it, but for $120 phone, I would totally recommend that you get this as a secondary phone. Or if you don't like Samsung because of like the Exynos processor problem that it's having, then you can actually get this phone first as a sort of an in-between phone till you figure out what other phone you want to get. And this phone just serves its purpose for $120. Like, you just want something cheap and good, then go for a Nokia. It's not a China brand. I'm not saying that China brands are not good, but security wise and for service, you can definitely count on the Nokia name. So I'll see you guys, and if you like this, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you guys again. Thanks guys. Bye for now.